Exercise 2.2, problem number 1. Now we want to evaluate the following questions. Here Z and W values are given. Z and W are complex numbers. Z equal to 5 minus 2i and W equal to minus 1 plus 3i. The question is, find the sum of the two values. Z plus W is equal to what? So Z plus W is equal to, first bracket you want to take the Z plus the second bracket is W. First you want to find the sum of real numbers, that is real part 5 minus 1 is 4, real imaginary part is minus 2i then plus 3i, so total it is plus 1i. Question number 2, Z minus iw. First you want to write what is Z, that is 5 minus 2i, in between minus I, then W value minus 1 plus 3i. So here 5 minus 2i, then minus I into minus 1, that is plus I, minus I into plus 3i, that is minus 3i square. Then 5 minus 2i plus I means minus I, then minus 3 into I square value is equal to minus 1, therefore minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. 5 plus 3 it is 8, then remaining minus I. 8 minus I is the answer. Subdivision 3. The question is, two Z plus 3W is equal to, so 2 into Z value 5 minus 2i plus 3 into W value minus 1 plus 3i. The normal distribution, 2 into 5 10 minus 8 4i minus 3 plus 9i. The answer is 7 plus 5i. Next subdivision number 4, Z into W. Given Z is 5 minus 2i and W minus 1 plus 3i. Therefore, you want to write ZW is equal to, first bracket Z value 5 minus 2i, then second bracket W value minus 1 plus 3i. Do the normal multiplication, 5 into minus 1, 5 into 3i, minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2i into minus 1, minus 2i into plus 3i. It is minus 5 plus 17i. Last one minus 6 into I square, that is plus 6. So the value is 1 plus 17i. Then subdivision number 5. Z square plus 2ZW plus W square. Z value 5 minus 2i, the whole square, plus 2 into Z into W plus W square. So you can substitute in the normal way what is Z and what is W. By using a minus b the whole square formula, a square value 25, 2ab value, that is minus 2 into 5 into 2, 20i plus 2i the whole square, that is 4i square. This is my first term. Then 2 into, that is distribution of two factors, 5 into minus 1, 5 into 3i, minus 2i into minus 1, minus 2i into plus 3i. It is actually fourth subdivision answer. Then plus minus 1 plus 3i the whole square, that is 1. Next minus 2ab answer, that is minus 6i plus 3i the whole square, that is 9i square. Here 25 minus 20i, last one minus 4 plus. So 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10, 2 into, here it is 15i and 2i, that is 17 into that 2, that is 34i. It is actually plus 6 into 2, that is 12. The last one 1 minus 6i minus 9. Therefore 25 minus 4, that is 21, minus 20i, plus it is 2 minus 10 plus 12, that is 2 plus 34i, plus 1 minus 9, that is minus 8 minus 6i. You want to write the real terms only, sum of the real terms. 21 plus 2 minus 8, therefore it is 23 minus 8, therefore 15. Minus 20i plus 34i minus 6i. First you want to sum of minus 20 and minus 6, that is minus 26 plus 34, that is 8i. So fifth subdivision answer 15 plus 8i. Next, sum number 2, sixth subdivision, z plus w the whole square. It is actually first subdivision answer, z plus w it is. We can substitute the direct answer, and another way we want to write z and w value, find the sum of 2, then take the whole square. That is 4 plus i the whole square, answer 16 plus 2 into 4 into I, that is 8i, last one plus I square, the I square is minus 1, therefore 16 minus 1 is 15 plus 8i. This is actually similar to the previous answer, because this is a plus b the whole square, previous one is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Third problem, find the value of the real numbers x and y if the complex numbers are equal. The two complex numbers are 3 minus I into x minus of 2 minus I into y plus 2i plus 5. It is single complex number. Then another one is 2x minus y plus 2yi plus 3 plus 2i. Now we want to equate the two numbers simply. First we can write in left side 3x minus ix minus 2y plus iy plus 2y plus 5. Then consider all the right side numbers to the left side. Therefore we can move and change the bracket, minus 2x then plus y minus 2yi minus 3 minus 2i equal to 0. Now we want to take the real part and the imaginary part, then constants. Constant is also real. So 3x and 3x minus 2x is x. Next minus ix. Ix is a single term, unique term. Next minus 2y and plus y, that is minus y, plus iy minus 2 times iy, that is minus iy. Minus 2i plus 2i, it is cancelled. 5 minus 3, that is plus 2 equal to 0. Here real part is x minus y plus 2. Remaining, that is imaginary. So consider the first equation, it is x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Then the right side equation, that is imaginary part, minus ix minus iy equal to 0, that is minus x minus y equal to 0. By using the two equations, we want to solve and find the value of x and y. The question is find the values of real numbers x and y. So here x and y are real, the numbers are real. So when we adding the two equations, that is 2x minus 2, therefore x is equal to minus 1, then y equal to 1. Now exercise 2.2, problem number 2. So now write subdivision number 1. Z and IZ, Z plus IZ. Already z is given 2 plus 3i. iz means I into 2 plus 3i. Therefore I into 3i, that is minus 3, then I into 2 plus 2i. Therefore it is minus 3 plus 2i. Last one, sum of the two, above 2. 2 plus I, sorry, z plus iz is equal to 2 plus 3i plus minus 3 plus 2i. Real answer, that is 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Then imaginary value 3i plus 2i, that is 5i. Now we want to mark the given complex numbers in Argand plane. Normal real numbers means that is coordinate plane. It is complex numbers, therefore Argand plane. But the representation should be normal. That is z value 2 plus 3i means 2 comma 3. Iz value minus 3 plus 2i, therefore minus 3 comma 2. Minus 3 comma 2. That is Iz. Z plus Iz means minus 1 comma 5. X value minus 1. Y value 5. That is Z plus Iz. So now we can connect the 3 points to the origin. Therefore O Z, O Iz, then O Z plus Iz. Now we can join the 3 points. This is the complex numbers in Argand plane. Similar way we want to do the next subdivision. The subdivision number 2. Subdivision number 1 is Z, Iz, Z plus Iz. Subdivision number 2, that is Z minus Iz, Z minus Iz. So subdivision number 2, Z equal to 2 plus 3i. That is already we know that. So all of you write what is Z. Then by using Z we want to write minus Iz. That is minus I into 2 plus 3i. This is actually minus I into 2 minus I into plus 3i. That is minus 3i square. So minus 3i square means plus 3 minus 2i. Then Z minus Iz. Therefore sum of the above two answers. So 2 plus 3i, then plus 3 minus 2i. So the answer 5 plus I. Therefore, consider the Argand plane. X-axis, that is the real line. Y-axis is called imaginary line. Now Z 2 comma 3. Therefore, in x-axis 2, y value 3. 2 comma 3, that is Z. Then minus I into Z, that is 3 comma minus 2. In x value 3, y value minus 2. There's 3 in real line. In imaginary line minus 2. It is minus Iz. Then third number Z minus Iz. Now connect O and Z and O and Iz. Minus Iz. Z minus Iz, it is 5 comma 1. Therefore first quadrant. Z minus Iz. Join the origin and Z minus Iz. It's just rough work. Join Z to Z minus Iz, then minus Iz. So it is